Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got this Norman era mace, and goes on a little bit after that. Northern Europe, round about England, going across through into the lowlands as well. And they're lovely things. So you make them by taking some beeswax, hardening it up with a bit of rosin, and then you just carve all of these little spikes here. Then the little detail in here, hopefully you can cast it in with the lost wax casting. If you can't, you just go in with the chisel and you just fine it up. So you'll often see maces like this are a combination between lost wax casting and then detail being put in afterwards. So that's a very characteristic thing of pieces like this. So it goes from about 1200 through to about 1400, so late era Norman, and then moving on. Whole thing mounted on an ash shaft, and this one is unusual actually because it doesn't have the shaft going through and wedged. It's fitted in and it's bonded and cross-pinned here. You can buy the whole assembled unit or just the heads on their own. Anyway, I'll see you again. Bye.